Introduction. Hey, guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about celebrating your little one's first birthday and those precious milestones along the way. As new parents, we all know how important these moments are, so I'm here to share some awesome ideas to make this day truly special. Let's jump right into it. Theme and decorations. Choosing a theme for your baby's first birthday is so much fun. You can go for something classic like circus, or jungle safari, or even pick your baby's favorite cartoon character. Create a beautiful atmosphere by decorating the party venue with balloons, banners, and colorful streamers. Don't forget to set up a cute photo booth corner where your guests can take adorable pictures with your little one. Party games and activities. No birthday party is complete without some exciting games and activities for the little ones. Plan age-appropriate games like Pass the Parcel, Pin the Tail on the Donkey, or musical chairs. You can also set up a sensory play area with colorful balls, soft blocks, and interactive toys to keep the babies engaged. Remember, the goal here is to have loads of fun and create beautiful memories. Smash cake experience. The iconic smash cake moment. This is one of the highlights of your baby's first birthday. Order a special smash cake just for your little one and let them dig in. It's going to be messy, but that's the whole point. Capture their adorable reactions and be ready for lots of laughter and happy mess. Trust me, you'll cherish these photos and videos forever. Milestone display. Take this opportunity to reflect on your baby's incredible journey over the past year. Create a milestone display with photos and memorable moments. You can make a timeline on a large poster board or use a string with clothespins to hang up pictures. It will be a beautiful visual representation of your baby's growth and all the special moments shared throughout the year. Personalized time capsule. Why not create a time capsule for your baby's first birthday? Fill it with meaningful items like letters, photographs, and small mementos that capture the essence of the first year. Label it with your baby's name and the date, and store it away to be opened on a significant future milestone. Imagine the joy and nostalgia it will bring when you open it together in the years to come. Fun party favors. Before your guests bid farewell, surprise them with cute and thoughtful party favors. You can create personalized goodie bags filled with small toys, candies, and thank you notes. It's a lovely gesture to show your appreciation for their presence on this special day. Plus, who doesn't love receiving a little something to take home? Conclusion. I hope these ideas have inspired you to make your baby's first birthday unforgettable. Remember, it's all about creating joy, love, and happy memories. Cherish every moment because they grow up so fast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tips and celebration ideas. See you next time.